If you are struggling to keep track of unsigned documents and manually follow up on them, this video will show you exactly how to automate follow-ups for unsigned documents in a few simple steps. Stick around, because I'm going to give you some insider tips and the exact software I use to streamline this process, plus an exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along. So first things first, you can automate follow-ups for unsigned documents with the right tools. This saves you a ton of time and ensures you're never missing a crucial document. You don't want to manually chase clients down for signatures anymore, right? Now, the software we'll be using today automates this whole process. No more sending individual reminder emails, no more checking spreadsheets to see who still needs to sign. The beauty of this software is its automatic reminders that go out at set intervals, ensuring your recipients get nudged to sign without you lifting a finger. Here's how you can set it up. First, upload your unsigned documents to the software. Most tools like this allow you to drag and drop files directly into their interface. Once that's done, you'll configure the settings to trigger automatic follow-ups. You can set the frequency and timing, whether it's every 24 hours, 48 hours, or weekly, so you're not pestering people too much, but they're still getting nudges to take action. Then you'll customize the follow-up emails. Our software lets you personalize the message, which is key. You don't want generic reminders. You want to sound professional and courteous, but still urge the recipient to act. Once you've set everything up, the software will send reminders automatically at the times you specified. The best part? You don't need to do anything manually. The system will follow up and you'll get notified when the document is signed. No more endless checking your inbox or wondering if your recipient has seen your request. Now, if you've tried other popular software options, you know they can be a pain to set up, or they don't offer the same automation features we just talked about. That's why I recommend this particular software. It's simple, effective, and has a ton of customization options. Plus, if you're a viewer of my channel, I've secured an exclusive free trial link in the description. You won't find this deal anywhere else, so check that out if you want to try it for yourself. Here's the key takeaway. Automating follow-ups for unsigned documents not only saves you time, but it also makes sure you never miss out on getting a signature. Using the right software, you can streamline your entire workflow, from sending reminders to tracking document status, all without lifting a finger. Let me quickly recap. First, upload your documents, then set up automated reminders for follow-ups, and customize your email messages. With this process in place, you'll never have to manually follow up on unsigned documents again. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. I really think you'll find it helpful, and it's a no-brainer if you're serious about automating your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.